So today, Bella's workshop has been really cool. It's made me think long and hard about myself and my own personality, and also taken on board other people's personalities. And I didn't realise just how many different kinds of attributes that people can have. My favourite mind switch from today is definitely music. I absolutely love my music, so it's something that I didn't realise probably the impact that it had on me, that when I'm feeling down, that it really has to sort me out a little bit. So especially when I'm driving around in between my customers' homes, I think I'll definitely have a few tunes on standby ready to go to really get myself back in the mood. So I think it's going to benefit my business in a lot of different ways, with my employees especially, with trying to take on board their personality types and actually learning perhaps slightly better ways in which I can interact with them, and the same with my customers. We see a lot of different people every day, so even recognising their personalities as soon as I walk through the door will again help me engage better with my customers and offer them a better service. I'd always recommend this kind of workshop to business owners, because I think it's important as a business owner to recognise the different personality types of people, and also in good ways to maybe even pass on the information about mindset switching, and recognise that maybe when some of their employees could even be struggling with a little bit of motivation, is they can help motivate their own workforce.